Adding an overlay in CapCut PC lets you place videos, facecam footage, or graphics right on top of your main clip in seconds. First, open CapCut on your desktop or in your browser and import all the media files you want to use. Once your videos are in your media pool, start by selecting your main background clip, like a full screen recording or a base video, and click the plus icon on the thumbnail to add it straight down to the primary timeline track. If you do not need the entire clip, simply click on the edge of the video handle and drag it left or right to trim the duration down to the exact length you need. Now, to bring in your overlay video, go back to your media panel on the top left. Instead of clicking through the plus button this time, click and hold on your second video file, then drag it directly into the timeline area and drop it above your primary video clip. CapCut automatically generates a new secondary video track right on top of your base layer. This creates the vertical overlay structure. To shorten this top clip, highlight it on the timeline, move your playhead to where you want the cut, and use the split tool or trim the edges manually. With the top video file placed above the background layer, you will notice that it currently covers the entire preview screen, hiding your background video completely. To fix this, click directly on the top clip inside your main video preview player. You will see transform handles appear on all four corners. Click and drag any corner handle inward to shrink the video down to your preferred dimensions. Alternatively, look at the video properties panel on the right side of your interface. You can adjust the scale slider under the basic tab to resize the clip with exact precision. Click inside the box on the preview window, hold down your mouse button, and drag the smaller video to wherever you want it to stay, such as a bottom corner for a facecam setup or the top center for a reaction clip. You can stack as many overlays as you need by repeating this dragging process onto higher tracks. The trade-off to keep in mind when stacking multiple overlay tracks is that your system requires significantly more processing power, which can lead to timeline playback lag on lower spec computers if you do not render or proxy your media beforehand. Once your layout is set and timed properly, click the blue export button in the top right corner to render your finished project.